This is a question from compiler design. We are given two lists and we are asked to match list 1 with list 2 according to the input to the compiler phase that process it. This is the major point. That is, we have to match it according to input to the compiler phase that process it. And in list 1 we are having syntax tree, intermediate representation, token stream, character stream. And in list 2 we are having code generator, semantic analyzer, lexical analyzer, and syntax analyzer. So let's see what are the different phases of a compiler. So basically a compiler has these many phases, that is lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, that is optional, and finally target code generation. These are the various phases. So in lexical analysis, what happens is the basic code is broken into stream of tokens. So we are giving input code to get token string, token string. And in syntax analysis, this token string gets converted into a syntax tree, which checks whether the syntax is in proper. Then we are having semantic analysis. In semantic analysis, what happens is we analyze the semantics of the input. So we are having semantic checks. Then we give it to the intermediate code generator, which generates the intermediate code. Then we do the code optimization, which is optional, and we have the final target code generation. This is the basic structure. Now let's see how to match list 1 with list 2. So first of all, let's see. The first one is basically the input code, which is a character string. This character string is given as input to lexical analysis or lexical analyzer. So D is given as input to lexical analyzer. So D maps with 3. So we can eliminate these two, this option A. Now the next option is after the input code is processed by the lexical analyzer, it gives a token string. This is input to syntax analyzer. So the token stream is given to syntax analyzer. C is mapped to 4. So from this itself, we can eliminate these two options. So ideally, option B will be the correct answer, but let's see. Then once the token stream is analyzed by the syntax analyzer, we can give that syntax tree as input to the semantic analyzer, which performs semantic analysis. So A can be mapped to 2. Then the intermediate representation is given as the input to the code generator. So ideally, the options will be A will be mapped to 2, B gets mapped to 1, C is mapped to 4, and D is mapped to 3. So based on the options, option B is the correct choice.